5 days in court. One verdict no one saw coming.
Defendant Roger Gillespie provided his final version of events regarding the
Defendant Roger Gillespie, 49, stood accused of murdering 2-year-old Journey Marbury. The toddler he claimed slipped on basement stairs. Prosecutors said blunt force trauma proved deliberate violence, not a fall. 5 blistering days, 18 witnesses, 74 exhibits, and a juror pool that swore they could stay impartial despite small-town rumors. Centerville, Iowa, population 5,000, braced for a verdict that could split families. Deliberation clock starts. 12 jurors, 1 hour.
Journey had a skull fracture and brain bleeding caused by significant force.
And that this does not happen naturally or self-inflicted.
No.
I have no more questions.
Two-year-old cannot do this on her own.
Gillespie claimed the injuries resulted from an accident while Journey was unattended in the bathroom. Nurse practitioner Erin Brown from the university's Child Protection Program testified that the injuries, including hemorrhaging in Journey's eyes, pointed to abusive trauma.
So things are moving in one direction, coming back, coming forward, backwards, with a lot of kind of impact and force, and usually also with some degree of rotation. So it's not just a straight move forward, move back, move forward, move back.
Brown also noted unusual bruising on Journey's body, inconsistent with a fall. The defense countered, pointing to a slip on ice days before and Brown's January 9th deposition, where she stated she, quote, did not know the cause of death. During cross-examination of lead investigator Chris Spencer, the defense tried to highlight Gillespie's affection for Journey through Facebook messages with her mother. One message read,
I know you're trying to get ready and I'm sorry to bother you, but thank you for everything, especially letting you watch this little friend of mine. She's helped me out just by being her little silly self.
He also mentioned that Journey didn't seem to like him as much as she used to and asked her mother to find another caretaker. On January 18th, he requested she stay with him one more day. On the 19th, Journey sustained her fatal injuries. Reporting from Ottumwa, I'm Maddie Lee.
Guilty. First-degree murder. Child endangerment. Automatic life sentence. No parole.
Who sustained fatal injuries while in his care on the final day of his trial. He told the jury he carried Journey down the basement stairs to do laundry with him.
My foot got tangled up on her blanket, and I'm going to be honest, I didn't want anybody to know that I landed on her.
Forensic pathologist Dr. Brad Randall testified that while abuse couldn't be ruled out, Journey's injuries could be explained by a fall on an irregular surface like the mat at the bottom of the stairs, with Gillespie's weight generating enough of a forceful impact. In closing arguments, the prosecution accused Dr. Randall of altering his opinion to fit Gillespie's new version of events, pointing out that Gillespie had changed his story after medical experts disproved his previous claims.
That's why last night he was able to come up with a brand new report, effectively a brand new medical opinion in less than 24 hours. But it doesn't change anything.
He emphasized the medical expert's testimony that the injuries required a back-and-forth motion, not a simple fall. The defense argued that Journey's death was a tragic accident and claimed the prosecution ignored evidence that didn't fit their narrative.
He felt responsible for this little girl. It's his fault. She's gone. But just because it's his fault she's gone doesn't mean that he committed a crime.
After about half an hour of deliberation, the jury found Gillespie guilty of first-degree murder and child endangerment resulting in death.
If this verdict stunned you, hit subscribe. And catch the suspect's raw confession in today's 60-second short.